What's up, guys? Today we will be finishing our balloon pop game. Um, Last time we added so much to this balloon sprite. And also the lag issue I had when I was recording the last video has been solved. So that's good. And now we're gonna be finishing this start menu. So we already have the basics done. All we have to do is hide show these actually when we press a button, which we will have here in here. So we're gonna be like adding another like we won't be using the one green flag clicked. Instead, when we do the one green flag click, we'll show the button. So first of all, I would want to paint a sprite. So click paint. So I'm going to show you how to make a simple button, not with those complex mathematics inside. A quick animation. So first, you would like to make an outline. I think about 10 would be, yeah, like 10 would be good enough. And then if you keep whatever color you want, and make sure this time to hold shift when you're making the button. So then once you hold shift, you have to extend this and you'll have a rectangle. And I'm gonna make it a bit smaller and boom. This is where it would be at the screen. So I'm gonna make it a little longer and a little smaller. And then I'm gonna put some text inside of it. And I think the text should be, I think, like a good yellow. Yeah, that's a good one. A good greenish yellow. Not yellow. So we can just name it start. And then make the text a bit bigger. Center the text. First of all, this has to be centered. This has to be centered. A bit bigger, actually. There we go. It's looking nice and bold. So the next thing we're going to do is, this is an optional feature, but we're going to duplicate this costume and then invert these. So the background will be the text color. Let's do that first. And then the text will be the background color. So let's just hide drop this. And the text be that. Oh, yeah, no, that's a feature in my Mac. I don't like that feature. So now when we hover, it would be like regular here. And when we hover over it, it would switch to this costume and change size. So first of all, we're gonna do when green flag clicked, show. Then we're gonna code up the pressing or clicking the button. So forever, if, actually in if else, we're gonna go to sensing, touching mouse pointer. Actually, never mind, this would be an if. If touching mouse pointer, then, oh, yeah, if else. We're going, we're going to, we're gonna set the brightness to 100. And also at the start, we're gonna set, oh, set the brightness to 100 and set the brightness over here to 0. So now, okay, kind of good. I'm actually gonna lower this to 95 because I also want to see that red costume. Actually, let's not do the brightness. We're gonna make use of that costume. If you didn't make the second costume, then you could use brightness. But since I have the second costume, then I'm gonna make use of that. I'm also gonna set it here to zoom 1. Now it's a bit more clean. And then since it's stuck there, we're gonna do costume 1. And we're also gonna change our size or set our size to be like to add on to the effect. You could watch a different tutorial for the button, but this is like a simple button. It doesn't have that smooth in zooming effect. Oh, oh wait, wrong way. I think 150 is a bit too big. How about 120? That's better. Actually, 115. Yeah, that's better. It's gotta be better. And that's nice. Then when we click it, we need to also do something. So, um, if touching mouse pointer and mouse down, then we're going to hide and broadcast a message. So we'll hide, and so if we click it, it'll hide, and it's back again. If we click the green flag. So now we're going to broadcast a message, and it would be start. Oh, I didn't broadcast. And also at the start, these things have to hide right now. So we're gonna fix that. So all of these, even the timer, we're gonna replace with a when I receive start. So it would reset. So basically, we're just gonna like just do the thing. Like we're gonna replace the green flags with when I receive start, so that everything, like, yeah. Also, speaking of which, we have to go here, and then when I'm that, we're gonna boop that and boop. Gonna add that. Wait, what? Oh, because turn that on. That shows. That should be because, and I realized, hey, this guy didn't get set.
How long do you know? How long do you have the output?
Let's go to front layer. 12. So that we can actually click it. And this also has to go to front layer because that. Oh, boom. So yeah, no, it does work. We need to hide these variables. So then what I think we should do is we're gonna actually replace this with actually our when green flag clicked and then just do the variable part. We just leave that like that and then do the variable part right here. So then, and also I forgot another thing. We're gonna, when timer goes timer, we're going to hide so that it's a bit more clean. So far we've made a game with the start menu. Oh wait, yeah, no, I think there's a bug. Because if we click, we have to click the green flag 2 times. Because here it's hidden. And if we try to show it, also I want to hide these variables first of all. But, oh yeah, my problem is I have to also add a, when the green flag clicked. So they're hidden. Yeah, so never mind about that. So a person just walked into my room. Uh, so speaking of which, we have to fix this bug where we try to play it, then, oh, wait, what? Wait, my scratch is cut off. Okay, at least I could click the save now button and just duplicate the tab. Everything should be normal if I just fill. Yeah. And I can delete this, and this would be my main tab. So if we click the green flag, click it again, it's hidden. We click it, it has been showed. Let's see what it would look like in full screen. It's not done yet, because if we click the green flag here, and then we click it again, it's gone. So we have to fix that bug in the code. So what we're going to do, once we're in the button spray, we're going to we're gonna delete we're just gonna delete this and use this again. And we're gonna use a broadcast to see if it fixes. So we're gonna do a broadcast hide. And then we're gonna put a button. When I receive hide, we're just gonna hide what the block says. Okay, that doesn't seem to fix it. Wait, did I put a, yeah, I put a show. Show. And what if we do this? Oh, wait, I forgot about a thing. See? We already have, so when we go to the thumbnail, it also has to hide. But yeah, it does work. Just we have to click the green flag 2 times. I guess that'll be fine. But anyways, now we can start the game. And then once we do the broadcast start, we have to make sure these hide because we can't see anything. So then when I receive start, start, hide. Oh, so yeah, I think this is actually a pretty cool game. So we start off in this menu screen, and then we could click start with this awesome button, and then we could play our game. So I guess that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And what we have been doing is last episode we were working on fixing this big bug I found on, and we added a little, we made it a bit more simplistic as we play. It's like a bit more because we don't have like too many different colors. We just have like 10 different colors. And it just makes the game a bit more simplistic. Wait, how's the high score 350? I don't remember doing that. Oh wait, where's the score variable? I totally forgot about that. Yeah, the score is up here. Who said the high score to 350, man? That's so cool. I think I need to find where that is. So I guess instead of doing that, don't we're going to just leave this as a green flag clicked because we really don't need to. So we click the green flag, we press the start button, and then we could just pop these balloons. My favorite part about the game is where we actually make the balloons look like they've been popped. I know there could be a better way to make the popping animation look a bit better. Like that costume I'm talking about. Like it doesn't have to be like what I did. You can make it into little bits of balloon. But still, this is pretty fun. Yay. Eh. Oh, I have to move my recording thing. I really want to fix that small bug. Oh, wait, what we should do is we don't even need this because they would already have pressed. So simply just when I receive start, I hide. That's what I do. Or maybe not. Because for some reason when I click the green flag, like I click it 2 times. Wait, what? That's fine. But we have finished this episode. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're good. And comment on this video if you want to know how to fix that bug. I will be releasing another tutorial on a different subject here because I might be going at a scratch. I've just started to go to and start. I've started going to a Python class now. So maybe in the future I could do Python tutorials, but for now I'll do Scratch. Scratch is pretty fun. I'll make another tutorial on how to make a clicker game. Or just in the comments, just comment what you want. See ya!